Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining. Today we will start a series on how to upgrade your English vocabulary and sound more polished. Let's dive in. First up, need use require when something is essential or represents a clear prerequisite. For a more formal expression, necessitate indicates that circumstances or logic make a particular action necessary. Next we have get. Use obtain when you formally acquire something specific, such as approval, information, or resources. Similarly, secure suggests achieving something valuable, often through effort, negotiation, or competition. For a broader and more strategic meaning, use acquire when referring to assets, information, talent, or capabilities. Let's move on to give. In most professional contexts, provide is a natural and polished alternative. If you want to emphasize an outcome, result, or completed service, deliver is often more appropriate. Now consider show. Use demonstrate when you are providing evidence through examples, data, or a practical illustration. Alternatively, use illustrate when your purpose is to make an idea or concept easier to understand through examples or diagrams. Next is tell. Use communicate when referring broadly to the delivery of information through written, verbal, or visual channels. However, when you want to emphasize the transfer of meaning, tone, or intent, convey is often the stronger choice. Now let's look at talk. Instead of simply saying talk, use discuss when referring to a structured and purposeful exchange of ideas. For a more dynamic and collaborative meaning, engage suggests active participation and two-way dialogue. Moving on to meet. In a formal business setting, convene means to bring people together for a specific and structured purpose, such as a board meeting or working group. By contrast, engage focuses more on meaningful interaction with clients, stakeholders, or business partners. Next, consider the verb think. Instead of saying think, use consider when you are weighing different options or perspectives. For a more analytical approach, use evaluate, particularly when assessing something against specific criteria or benchmarks. Similarly, assess is useful when judging risk, readiness, performance, or feasibility. Now let's move on to decide. Use determine when your decision is based on logic, evidence, or analysis. On the other hand, resolve suggests reaching a deliberate decision after discussion, consideration, or debate. Lastly, ask. Instead of simply saying ask, use request when you are making a formal or specific ask of a team, stakeholder, or system. Alternatively, use inquire when you are investigating, conducting research, or seeking information. Thanks for watching and see you soon. In case I don't see you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.